I added cabbage to boiling water and was surprised with the result. It's a super easy and delicious recipe. For starters, let's add the cabbage to boiling water. And we'll let it cook for a few minutes. As soon as it looks like this, we'll strain all the water. And we'll rinse our cabbage with cold water. Guys, this recipe is incredible. Stick around to the end because I'm sure you'll love it. It's not only super easy to make, it's also delicious. Now let's add 1 red onion. We'll fry it for a few minutes. Next, we'll add 1 shredded carrot. Let's cook it. Now half a green bell pepper. Let's continue to mix everything until all the ingredients are cooked. Then we'll add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, and let's keep mixing it up. Now let's add our cabbage and mix it for a few more minutes. Meanwhile, let me know in the comments where you're watching us from so I can send each one of you a big kiss when I'm done here. And check this out, guys, so pretty. Now let's move it to another recipient. And this recipe is amazing. Try it at home because I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Let's add a chopped up tomato. Let's mix it. Parsley and chives. And check out how easy and nutritious this recipe is. Only the best ingredients. Next, we'll add 200 grams of cream cheese. And we'll just mix everything up until all the ingredients are incorporated. Guys, this recipe is incredible. It's always a major hit here at home. Check out what a creamy and wonderful salad. Tell me, isn't this mouth-watering? And look at that. Guys, I really hope you liked this video. We made it with a lot of love, and if you did, don't forget to share it with all of your friends. Lots of love, and until the next recipe.